to shop. Not being able to go to the store, go to the mall, or sometimes me and my boyfriend will go to the movies like on Tuesdays, because the girl used to be $5. Now that they're taking this big hit with being closed, who knows how much the movie's gonna be. But I just really miss simple things like that. But I'm about to do my eyebrows and I will be right back. Alright, so eyebrows are on. I think for foundation I'm gonna use the Milani. Really like this foundation. It's full coverage how I like it. It matches my skin tone. I like it. During this whole little ordeal, you just have a lot of time to think. You know, like I just really been thinking about a lot of stuff. YouTube is one of those things that every time I think about it, like for real, I get so emotional. I'm emotional, but it has to be about something I care about. I only got two ways. With me, it's two ways. I care or I don't. Literally. Like, if I don't care about something, you will know it. Like, girl, I don't give a fuck. But if I care about it, you're gonna hear about me talking about it all the time. It makes me emotional because I always wanted to do YouTube, y'all. And I know y'all be hearing these stories all the time, like how people always want to do YouTube and they start doing it and all this mess. But no, for real. So when I think about the reality of it, like, you guys really watch me, it makes me so emotional because this is something I always wanted to do. And for anybody who wants to start a YouTube channel, girl, do it. Like, girl, just do it, for real. But after we get off lockdown, I have so many plans, like my hair business. It's not necessarily a hair business, it's a boutique. Your girl sell hair. I sell hair accessories like this wrap I have on. I sell earrings, lashes, all types of stuff. So it's not necessarily just a hair business. And see, that's the thing about me. Even with my YouTube channel, I can't just do one thing. I have to put my hands in so many things because that's just who I am. For concealer, I'm gonna take the one I use for my eyebrows. This is the Makeup Revolution in C15. Oh, it's a piece of hair. And I plan on like really just getting out of my shell, which I started now. Like, I'm the type of person, like I tell y'all all the time, like I never really ever what is it called, what is the word I'm talking about, like I never really advertised my channel. Like, it's so many people that don't know I do YouTube. It's so many people that, you know, they'll write me, they stay in my city and they'll be like, girl, I didn't know you do YouTube, girl, I seen you on YouTube. And I just be like, ah. But now I'm an advertiser. I'm proud of myself, you know. And it's not even that I don't be proud of myself, but I honestly can't tell you what it is, like why I never advertise myself. But I'm getting out of my shell. YouTube gives you such, it introduces you to a whole nother world, and y'all, it's a lot. Everybody always be like, don't worry about the haters, this, that, and the third. But let me tell you something. Just like with everything else, you cannot speak on it until you're in it. And it's different when you're in it, because like I said, it's something I truly care about. And I never was the type of person that cared about being liked or whatever, because I've always been liked. People always likes me. My personality is huge. Like, I never had a problem with people liking me. So now when people be commenting negative stuff and be trying to make me out to be the bad guy, I just be like, what? Like, y'all don't even know me for real. Y'all don't even know me. What else been going on? I don't know, but I'm just in the mood to talk. Like, I'm just really in the mood to talk. So let me know what y'all been up to. I feel like my life is going to restart once I move to Atlanta. I wish I can just pick up everything and go right now. And it's so crazy because I only been to Atlanta one time, y'all. Me and my boyfriend went for Valentine's Day in February. That was the first time I've been to Atlanta. And when I went there, it was like, it felt like home. Like, it felt like I never want to leave. Like, we gotta leave. I felt like that's where God wants me to be. And it gotta be that, because why do I want to go there so bad? Like, why do I want to stay there so bad? I don't know anyone there. Moving to Atlanta, that's my biggest goal right now. And I don't want to move until I'm financially able to do so, like where YouTube and, you know, sponsorships and stuff is paying my bills. Once I can afford to move, baby, I'm on the first flight out. Like, I just feel like I'm gonna be so free. I'm gonna be so, I don't know, independent. Even though I'm already independent, I don't know what it is, but it's something about, I don't know. And I never was the type of person that wanted to move away from my family. I've always, you know, me and my family aren't like the closest, but we love each other. Like, my mama, I love my mama. My sister, I love my sister. My sister kids, I love my sister kids. And that's really all I have when it comes to family. I don't have, the thing about it is I have a big family, but that's really all I have. My sister, my mama, and my sister kids. They are everything to me. I love them. But I'm leaving them, like, and it's not that far away. Atlanta's about 5 hours away from where I stay, but I just can't believe I'm so open to doing it now. Like, I'm just like, baby, if I had the money, I would go now. Like, it feels so good just talking and doing my makeup. This feels so good. I'm ready to move now though. My lease is up in July, and I just pray this whole situation is over, because I'm ready for a new atmosphere now. I found some apartments that I fell in love with. I went to look at them, and I really like the apartment, and I just been manifesting and manifesting. Like, that's my apartment. I know how I'm gonna set it up. I know what I'm gonna do. I know this, I know that. That's my apartment. So, excuse me. All right, so y'all, I cannot believe, I wonder if I can get close so y'all can see this. Do you see that? Now, y'all know this is my favorite powder. I cannot believe it's running out, y'all. But I think a Sephora VIB sale is coming up, and I'm definitely finna be ordering online. It's a few things I need from Sephora specifically, like this powder and that fresh toner. I don't know if I explained to y'all before how much I love that, but girl, I love that freaking toner. I ever found somebody on YouTube that you just feel like you relate to so much, and you just like, oh my god, girl, you just remind me of me. That's how I feel about y'all, her name's Keisha Kaylee. I know y'all gotta watch her channel, but I haven't just started watching her. I've been watching her channel, but it just hit me. I was watching her before I even started doing YouTube, but it just hit me, like, watching her recently. I'm like, oh my god, girl, you remind me of me so much. And it's so ironic how we are the same sign. So it's my Scorpio sister. Like, I like her, I love her. So if y'all don't watch her, that's somebody y'all can watch while y'all on lockdown. And some cities and states are like actually like on real lockdown. But girl, here in Florida, this is some bullshit. I don't understand why they won't lock this shit down. Like, for real, for real. I don't know why. I don't know why. But girl, they will not lock us down. I don't know what I'm gonna put on. Something chill. I want to take some chill pictures for Instagram. This may be like a get ready with me for Instagram, or a get ready with me. I don't know. If y'all had to pick one word to describe y'all, what would it be? My first word that came to my head that I was gonna say for myself is misunderstood. But then the second word was loyal. So I don't know. What's one word to describe you? Only one. I'm trying to put stuff back as I go, because I just cleaned off my desk, and before I know it, this shit gonna be back dirty. I ain't did my makeup in so long, I'm forgetting the steps. After I contour, What do I do? Oh, spray. I feel like it's gonna be a part of my forehead that don't have no foundation on it, but it's okay. I just fixed that. I'm taking a Morphe continuous spray. This one is my top broke. Y'all, I know everybody been cooking during this whole ordeal. What have y'all been cooking? Last night I cooked fried tacos and they were really good. I've cooked ribs. Like, I just been cooking all types of stuff. What have y'all been cooking? I've been liking this spray. I was looking for a dewy spray and this one is really good. Only thing I really have to do now is pop my lashes on, do my little moles and my lips. I think I'm gonna put these on. These are in the style Fairy. Shop My Boutique. Period. Oh my god, y'all, have y'all watched, when I was putting this eyeliner on, it made me think of him. Have y'all watched Tiger King? Baby, if y'all haven't watched Tiger King, I highly recommend you watch it. It is a really interesting show, to say the least. All right, so about to pop my lashes on. Can't close my eyes because I don't want the eyeliner to get up there, but about to pop my lashes on and I'll be right back out. All right, I'm back. I put my lashes on and I didn't end up using the pair I showed y'all. Let me tell you the name of these because I just wanted something a little bit more dramatic. You know, it's been a minute since I've been on Instagram. It's been a minute since I did my makeup, so I just needed a little, you know, a little more. These are in the style Doll, because y'all know I'm a doll, duh. I do my lips, y'all. This is my favorite lip liner. This is by LA Girl. It's the Perfect Precision eyeliner. But I think I'm gonna just put this on, overline my lips with some clear gloss. That's like my signature, my favorite look. Like my favorite. All right, I don't know where my clear lip gloss at. Like, it's like all the glosses that I really like be stuck somewhere in one of my purses. All right, so I just be buying the regular clear glosses out the hair store, y'all. Nothing fancy at all. And I just love the way my lips look like this. Like, it's literally my favorite. All right, makeup is done. Now we're gonna move back to hair. I kind of noticed that my wig is off center a little bit. My part not directly in the middle. So we're gonna see what we can do to fix that. All right, finally finished the part. It looks decent now. Now we gonna comb these curls out. So this wig is a really good wig, y'all. Like, I really do think y'all should look into it if y'all are interested. It curls phenomenal, as you can see. I also flexi rodded it one day and the flexi rod set looked really good. It took color good. It does shed a little bit, but I don't really know if that's because of the coloring I did to it or the actual hair. But it is a naturally wavy hair, so if it does shed, you know, it's to be expected, because all curly hair, well, all hair sheds, some more than others though. But I like it. I like this wig. I like my makeup. I like everything. I look cute. It's so true what they say, you know, like when you look good, you feel good. It's about to get on Instagram, y'all, and just take pictures, look cute, make some TikToks. Follow me on TikTok at I am Chelsea Janae. It'll be in the description box because I'm finna become a TikToker. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed my makeup and my hair. I'm